Honor BCD. Magandang gabi po sa ating po mga PNP. Mga sir, magandang gabi po at maraming salamat sa inyong pag-assist dito sa ating pong 11th Mayor's Cup Basketball Tournament. Bago tayo mag-start, palakpakan po natin ang pagdating ng ating mahal na Mayor, Honorable Mayor Joy Ayala. Magandang gabi sa ating mahal na Mayor. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, mga ka-basketball. Live once again at Municipality Gymnasium of Quezon, known as Manongol, Quezon.
Game!
Tinanong basketball. Just nagbanwa, kuha nitong numero 2.
Nice!
Jumper na. Isang kagadaling pang-isaw-isaw mula dito kay Bebot Talingting. 1 minute and 33 seconds to go. Mga kaibigan, pero marami nang nangyayari.
Nice! Nice!
Kings Basket, third quarter of the game.
Third quarter.
Justin Magbanwa going to the front court. Para sa team ng Axos, Trinidad, step back and a jumper for 3. Justin Trinidad for 3. Mga kaibigan kay RJB Payuan, samantalang Kenneth Tener, puts it through. Score po natin all at 46. Wala nang lumaban. Ricabio out. Bonbon number 11 coming in for team of BCB Sportswear Japo Sublimation. JB Payuan, pinagkatiwala kay EJ. At Magbanwa just finished spinning. Just Magbanwa, good move! 67-64.
Nice!
David Escalzo kasama si AJ Rodriguez. Sa team ng Diablo laban sa team ng Actors. And Talentin! Benga! Bang! 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 It was brought to us by LG of Quezon. Frankie Lacroix Pagkatan. Malaruan, pero tama po kayo nakikita mga kaibigan. Umuulan ng tatluhan dito sa 74 against 73. 1 point yung amati ng Actors laban sa team ng Diablo. 75, 1 point lead by your team Diablo Sublimation. Itong team ng Axos Matis laban sa team ng Diablo Sublimation. Shot clock down to 14. 13 seconds on the shot clock. RJB Payuan takes away. Kung kanina po yung naghahamol ng malaki-laking diferensya, itong team ng Axos laban sa team ng Diablo. Trinidad 3-point. Recovered by Kenny Tener with 5 minutes and 31 seconds to go. Baseball pass. In and out. Put back. Kudos William. Good for 2 points. Nagmamadali. Kenny Tener. 5 and 55 seconds to go. 14 seconds on the shot clock. What happened? Isunod! Axos laban sa team ng Japo. Talentin! Portrait! Dimension BCB Sportswear!
Ice cream yan!
In the final quarter. 84 against 97.
Oras! Patay oras!
13 seconds to go.
Nice team!
Last break. 10.2 seconds to go. 10.2 seconds remaining. One official referees from Samang Basket ng Pilipinas. Bukas muli ang bakbakan bukas. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. Abangan ang bakbakan bukas. I'm your official marker to Owen. Starting off, mabuhay. Boston Quezon, mabuhay. Paluwenyo.
Ito sa picture to lang. Okay, kayo. Doon, sibigyan natin yung ano natin, title natin ng sticker. Pero, yun lang. Kaya tayo nila kami, maraming masyado rin kami. Ibigyan natin sa kanya. Salamat. Thank you. Eh, nabigyan ko siya ng sticker mo.